Senedd elections are how we choose the people who make decisions for Wales. If you're voting for the first time, don't worry. We are going to show you how to vote, where to vote, and exactly how long it takes. In a Senedd election, you are voting for members of the Senedd, or MS, who represent you and help make laws on things like health, education, transport, and the environment here in Wales. There are a few ways you can vote in a Senedd election. Most people vote in person at a polling station. That's what we are focusing on today. Not sure where your polling station is? Easy. Search Find My Polling Station Wales or check your local council website. Just put in your postcode and it tells you exactly where to go and what time it's open. And polling stations are usually really local. Schools, community centres, village halls. When you arrive, staff will ask you for your name and to see your polling card. They'll give you your ballot paper for the Senedd election and explain what to do if you need help. If you need assistance, please let the staff there know. You go into a private booth, read the instructions on the ballot paper and put a cross next to the candidate or option you choose. Fold it up, put it in the ballot box, and that's it. You voted in a Senedd election. The whole thing usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. No long queues, no pressure, and if you're unsure of anything, the staff are there to help. The Senedd makes decisions that affect everyday life in Wales, from health services and schools to buses and climate actions. Voting is how you make sure your voice is a part of that. So, if you've registered to vote in Wales, take part in the Senedd election. It's quick, it's easy, and it's your voice.